JUSTY Industrial Co. Limited, established in 2009 and celebrating over 15 years of development, specializes in the field of air conditioning. JUSTY has reached an annual production capability over 5 million sets. Its annual sales exceed 2 million sets. Optimize production process and efficiency through a complete intelligent production inspection system to ensure the consistency and the stability of output. Complete experimental testing equipment and stringent standards encompass the noise test, enthalpy difference chamber, EMC test. JUSTY focus on automated manufacturing capabilities. Each unit goes through a series of strict testing and quality assurance. Professional brazier and excellent management. Spacious and bright assembly workshop. Manipulator is adopted to meet the requirements of the grouping of machine of different weights and shapes to achieve the automation of the operation and reduce the labor intensity. JUSTY has managed to create a superior products reaching the leading standard for quality. We strategically expand in our fields to include monoblock air conditioning, caravan air conditioning, and dehumidifier, which represents our dedication to delivering exceptional products that constantly exceed client expectations on a global scale.